Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this infographic design in PowerPoint in just 4 minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. So the first thing we are gonna do is open up a blank PowerPoint template. Go to format background and then give it a gradient of these two gradient strokes which are of purple color. Then we're going to insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it fully rounded. And then change its color to white. Remove its outline to no outline. And then we're going to insert this triangle shape from shapes and move it right here. The next thing we have to do is change its color to the same color as this other shape, which is white. Then we're going to group both these shapes. And then duplicate them using Ctrl+D key and rotate them to the opposite side. The next thing we have to do is duplicate it again using Ctrl+D, but make sure that the shape does not change. So we have a total of 3 shapes, and what we're going to do next is just go to insert, and from here let's insert this curve shape. This is a half hemisphere circle with space in it. So what we're gonna do is remove its width and put it right here. Then we're gonna give it a dash and increase its width, or we can just say that we're gonna increase its stroke. Then what we're going to do is just change its color and group all of these 3 and change their color to white. Select these 3 and we're going to just use another color for them. We can go with black as well. You can check a different color, so I'm going to go with a black color in the middle. Black and white shade. Then we're gonna go to shapes, and from here insert a circle and put it onto the right side of this white shape. The next thing we're gonna do is change this circle's color to the same as the background gradient that we used. Duplicate it using Ctrl+D key, and we're gonna just put it back on top of the other shape that we used. For this we're gonna use a white color. So here we are. I am gonna add my text and the titles and the numbering for all of these. Also we're gonna add headings. The next thing we're gonna do is go to insert tab, and from here we're gonna insert a number of 3 or 4 icons. Here we are. Insert your icon. Then we're gonna give shadows to all of them. You need to give the same shadows that I have given. Here we go. Now it is time for animation. The animation I'm gonna use is grow and turn, or you can also use random bars. I'm gonna give it the below and from right. For the other one I'm just gonna use from right side, and from these 2 on the left I'm gonna use up and down animation direction. For the text I'm just gonna give them bars animation. And for the line we can just give it any animation you like. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment down to let us know about our tutorials and if you like them or if they are helpful.